Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to upgrade your Windows 11 Home Edition to Windows 11 Pro without needing to format or reinstall your current operating system. Let me explain why you ended up with the Home Edition of Windows. If you tried installing Windows 11 using a USB stick and ended up with the Home Edition instead of the Pro, it's because your system originally came with the Home Edition. The manufacturer includes a signature in the BIOS that indicates it was shipped with Windows Home. Therefore, during a clean installation, the setup automatically selects the Home Edition. This automatic selection simplifies the process for many users who may not know which version of Windows they have, as it defaults to the edition that was originally installed. To upgrade your Windows 11 Home Edition to Windows 11 Pro Edition, just click on your Windows icon and open the Settings app. Select System. Scroll down and click on About. You can see I'm on the Windows 11 Home Edition 24H2. If I go back and click on Activation, when I click on Activation State, you can see my Windows is activated with a digital license linked to my Microsoft account. Please make sure to disconnect your internet connection before proceeding to the next step. Click on your Windows icon again and open the Settings app. Click on System, then scroll down and select Activation. Click on Upgrade your edition of Windows and click on Change Product Key. It says we should enter the product key. I will put the product key into the description so you can copy and paste. After pasting the key, click Next. You'll see a message prompting you to upgrade your edition of Windows. Click Start to begin the update process. The system will then prepare the upgrade and automatically restart. After restarting, you'll see that your Windows 11 Home Edition has been upgraded to Pro. Next, go to the Product Key and Activation menu. Here you'll notice that the activation state shows as inactive. This is because you currently don't have a valid license or product key on your PC. The generic key used for the upgrade only allows the transition from Home to Pro. To activate your Windows 11 Pro Edition, you'll need to enter your genuine Pro license key. Since I have a digital license linked to my Microsoft account and I'm already logged in, once I connect to the internet, my Windows will automatically activate. Open Windows Update. Click here for checking updates and install all available updates. We have successfully upgraded from Windows 11 Home Edition to Windows 11 Pro Edition. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Let me know how this worked out for you, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments. I'll do my best to respond. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. To see more content like this, hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified whenever new videos are released.